Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and in this short and quick video I would like to demonstrate that you can log out from Skype on an iPad. So in front of me I have the iPhone, as you could have already noticed, not iPad, but the procedure is pretty much the same. You just tap on your avatar or profile at the top left corner of the screen, and in here at the very bottom of the profile or account management section, you'll find the sign out option, which you want to tap on. Choose the sign out and remember or sign out and forget options, whatever that one that you like better. And that would be it. We have successfully logged out or signed out of the Skype iOS app. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.